Hey everybody, I'm Ken Brant and I'm an artist. So this is the last video in the Figurary series. I have here painting number 24, and although there are 29 days in the month of February, 5 of those days were missed due to one, I had a death in the family. So that caused me to miss a couple days of painting, and 2, I had to go out of town at the end of the month. That was something that was not scheduled at the beginning of the month, so hey, sometimes you just got to roll with the punches, and you just can't feel bad about that sort of stuff. Things happen. So as a result, 5 paintings were not done for the month of February, but we did get 24 of them done. This here is the last painting before the end of the month, and so I'm very, very proud of all the paintings that I did. I have some favorites. I have some that are not, not so much, but I do feel good about the challenge. I learned a lot working through this challenge, and hopefully you did as well by watching me go through this process. And one of the things that I did gain from this is the ability to paint faster and achieve a looseness with my brush stroke and acquire some detail that I wasn't quite able to accomplish prior to this challenge. So that is one thing that I think really one of the things I walked away with on this challenge. Also, just going through the challenge itself, there were some days where I just didn't feel like painting, but you got to do it because, that's the challenge, and that's all part of it. So those are things that you can take away from a challenge like this. So when you are actually doing a painting and you're not being you're not on a time constraint, much like I was for the month of February, you still push yourself to get to the painting, get some painting done, as opposed to just, not doing it, I guess really is what it comes down to. So yeah. I hope you enjoy watching the video on this painting. This one was kind of like a culmination of things that I had wanted to do through each of the paintings throughout the month. She has some highlights on her hair from the sunlight coming through the background. There's some light reflecting off of her skin. There's some fabric material that I did, and so there's some good contrasting between the lights and darks. So this painting here was kind of like it had little bits and pieces of everything that I had done throughout the month. So I'm really happy with this one. And again, like all the paintings, we'll revisit this one at a later date and just make it better. And so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I will be back with more videos, more painting, more tips and techniques. So look forward to all of that. And I'll see you at the next one.